Hey everyone, we had an amazing day one here at Camp X Splash. Today our kids learned about Moses from the Bible and how he is our barrel wave. Your kids had so much fun going on go-karts, bounce houses, making some ooey gooey slime. It's been an amazing day. Don't forget, tomorrow is Crazy Sock Day. We can't wait to see you all tomorrow for day 2.